How to repair corrupted PowerPoint PPTM files. In this video, we'll describe how to recover your corrupted PPTM files from MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a very useful application and widely used to make slides or presentations. But, sometimes due to certain reasons the PPTM files get corrupted. Some common reasons why PPTM files get corrupted: improper shutdown of the system, virus attack, system malfunction. Due to system malfunction, the file gets corrupted due to broken links while downloading. Don't worry, if your PPTM file is not opening or gets corrupted, we have a robust solution for you. With the SysInfo PPTM Recovery Tool, you can easily repair and retrieve the data from highly corrupted PPT files. The tool quickly recovers the data from multiple PPT files in a single click. Important features of the SysInfo PPTM Repair Tool. Recover the unreadable file. The software easily recovers the unreadable files and easily accesses the data from the corrupt PPTM files. Raw data recovery. This feature allows you to recover the severely corrupted PPTM files. Effective and easy to use, the software has attractive user interface and is easy to use. Batch file recovery. You can recover multiple PowerPoint presentations in a single click. Deep data recovery. The software performs a deep recovery process and recovery of all the possible data including modules, slide number, VBA code, hyperlinks, header, footer, etc. It is highly compatible with all versions of Windows and PowerPoint. Working of the tool. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Run the tool on your computer and click on the Add PPTM button. Select the desired PPTM files and click on Open button. Click on the Repair Files button. Now select the desired location to save the PPTM files. Click on the Save button to start the recovery process. Wait until the saving process gets completed. Finally, click on the OK button. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.